Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to associate Google account with a device. Alright, let's begin. First, you want to locate your Google Play Store mobile application. So by default, every phone or every Android phone will have the Google Play Store mobile application. Here, just go ahead and open up Play Store. And from here, you need to click on your profile, which is located at the top right. So if you have a second account that you want to associate on this device, just click on that. And from here, you need to click on the arrow that you see next to your name there, and just click on the Add Another Account option. Now from here, you just need to click on Google, since you want to add a Google account, and that's all. Now from here, you just need to enter your email and your password, and you can then basically just log in into your account, and your Google account will be associated with this device. So that's basically how you can associate Google account with a device. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.